welcome to today's video. Now, as we age, our skin tends to lose its elasticity and its firmness. Not only that, it also tends to get very dry, very flaky, since our body tends to produce less sebum. Now, what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share an anti-aging remedy with you. This is a facial scrub. The facial scrub can help to exfoliate the skin, get rid of the dry flakiness on the skin. It will also help to shrink those pores. But here comes the bonus. This facial scrub can also be double as a facial mask. Now, this facial mask can help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin and clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Now, here comes the cherry on the top. This is a dry mixture. That means you can take it along with you wherever you go. It also have a very long shelf life, around about 6 months or so. So if you were looking for a DIY homemade remedy for your skin that you can take along with you and have amazing result, then guess what, this recipe is for you. So I'm going to share a full detailed recipe with you, and then I'm going to show you how to use it as a mask and how to use it on a scrub, and I even share tips on how best to preserve it. So do not click off, continue watching the video for the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. Today we're going to be using some rice, and we're using white rice today. You can go ahead and use black rice or purple rice. Rice contains exfoliating, skin tightening, skin brightening properties. It will help your skin to look clean and clear once used on a regular. Now, what I'm going to be doing with this rice, I'm going to be blending the rice to a powder. So let's reach for the blender, and we're going to pour our 1/4 cup of rice in the blender. Let's put this aside and move on to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is flax seeds, and these are rich in protein. They also have exfoliating properties, skin tightening properties. They will help your skin to look firmer, and it will also help your skin to look younger and fresher once used on a regular. Now, for our flaxseed, we're using 1 tablespoon of the flax seeds. And we're going to pour our 1 tablespoon of flaxseed in the blender along with the rice. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some dried orange peel. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C, which will help to lighten, brighten the skin and boost the collagen production in the skin. To dry your orange peel, simply peel your orange, iron it to dry, or place it in a brown paper bag. So I'm going to take about, a ounce, give or take, of the dried orange peel. We're adding this to the blender. So here in our blender, we have rice, we have flax seeds, and we have dried orange peel. And now we're going to blend all 3 together to a powder. Now for this recipe, if you do not have flax seeds, you can go ahead and you can use some chia seeds. Now once this is done, take a look. Smell of this is amazing. So let's pour this out. And take a look. This is our base. And what I like about this recipe is that you can actually make this, get a clean container, one that have a tight cover. Let's just pour this in. Now here we have our dry base, which can be used as a facial scrub and also has a facial mask. Cover this tightly and put it in your refrigerator. It could stay for about 6 months or so. When you're ready to use it, just take it out and add your liquid to it. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to use this really quick. Now to use this as a facial scrub, all you need for 1 application, a teaspoon of the mixture, some almond milk or soy milk, a teaspoon, pour this in. And you're going to mix this in a paste. You can add a little bit of a rose water or add a little bit more of the milk. I'm adding about a teaspoon of rose water, optional. And once you mix this in a paste, this is what you're going to use to exfoliate your skin. Very absorbing. So take a little of the exfoliator, apply it to your skin, and exfoliate your skin. This is, oh, this smells so good. You exfoliate your face, your neck, and your décolleté. So this is one way to use the mixture. Now let me show you how to use it as a facial mask. So you're going to reach for your dry mixture, a teaspoon of the mixture. If you're taking it down on the neck and décolleté, you can choose to add a little more, about a tablespoon. You're going to use some yogurt. You can use yogurt, you can use curd, or you can substitute that and use some aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel or store-bought aloe vera gel. So you're just going to make the mixture your own. I'm going to be using some yogurt, plain unsweetened yogurt. So 1 tablespoon of the yogurt, the plain unsweetened yogurt. And we're going to mix this in. Ooh, this is so amazing. Totally dissolve the yogurt. I'm definitely going to use this right now. And once this is done, this is how you use it as a facial mask. So you're just going to be generous with it. Apply it on your face, all over your face. And it still have granules, so you could rub it as if you're exfoliating first. And then you're going to leave it on your skin for at least 30 minutes. And then you're going to rinse off. Really, really good. So you can use this several different ways. A facial scrub, a facial mask. Just make it your own. So an amazing facial scrub slash facial mask that you can have for a longer period of time. A longer shelf life. So make your dry mix, place it in the refrigerator. And whenever you're ready to use it, you take it out. Now, a lot of times you think that you cannot have a DIY skincare remedy on the go. This is one remedy that you can have on the go. So you can take this with you anywhere you go. All you need to do is add water, add milk, add yogurt, add, you know, any form of a liquid, orange juice, grapefruit juice, and use it on your skin. Use it. So there you have it. Very easy, very convenient to use. Amazing DIY for your skin. Give it a go. Use it up on your skin, your face, your neck, your décolleté, and guess what? Come back and leave a comment after you have used it for several weeks. You can also choose to add a little bit of a oatmeal to this mixture, especially if you have very oily skin. Just add a teaspoon of oatmeal and you are good to go. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and guess what? If this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also,